Hi, I'm Rillahan and you're watching Prenatal Foundations. Today we're going to explore low lunge. Let's go ahead and grab your mat, and if you have two blocks, that'd be great too. Let's start in a tabletop position. Have your shoulders aligned over your wrists, hips over knees. Really press through all 10 fingertips and your knuckles. Make sure you're not dumping weight into the pinky edge side of your hand. And then go ahead and grab the blocks, bring them a bit closer, and move your hands on top of these blocks. And then you have a couple options when you're making your way into that low lunge. Depending on how far along you are in your pregnancy, you may be able to pick that right foot up and place it right between your hands. And these blocks just give you a little bit more space and make room for baby. And you can play with the heights. The further along you get, the more space you want for baby, so you can bring them up to their highest height. Another option from tabletop is stepping out on the outside of that right hand. Again, just another option to give you more space and more room for baby. From here, keeping your weight steady on these blocks, press firmly into them, press firmly into your right foot, tuck your left toes, and then lift that left knee. Now really pressing firmly into the mat with your feet, holding yourself up on the blocks. Draw your heart forward, gaze forward. Now you always have the option to drop that back knee. You can keep those toes tucked too for more stability if you feel like you're off balance today. Or you can untuck those toes and just press into the top of that foot. And then coming out of this again, gently step the right foot back into that tabletop position, and then you can move on to the other side. Now you have a couple options for low lunge, knowing that the further along you get in your pregnancy, what you want to focus on is giving more space and more stability for baby. See you next time.